Hi, it's Craig, WJ6F. Today's going to be a quick video. We're just going to announce the winner of the MFJ-9232 QRP Pocket Loop Tuner. Welcome to or back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Now let's get on with the drawing. Hopefully you're the winner. Grab the video link, head on over to the picker, the winner is Paramount 10987, who says, "Watch to the end. Kilo Delta 2, Oscar Charlie Oscar." I'll be getting the antenna out in the mail next week to you. Really appreciate everybody taking the time to watch this video and compete in the contest. We'll be doing more contests in the future. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the space below. And check out some of these other videos.